Hello and welcome to the 5th video of our backend web development series. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to use our database in our project. So we're going to be using the Mongoose dependency instead of using MongoDB's native driver, which is much more of a hassle. So in order to use Mongoose, we first have to install it with npm. So npm install Mongoose. And again, as always, we're going to require it up here by creating a constant called mongoose. Now we're going to connect our database. So let's go back to our database and we want to connect to Pro. So let's click connect and then it says connect your application. So we're going to click that and then it's going to give us a URI. So we're going to click copy, then close, and then let's minimize the screen. And we're going to create a constant called URI and then paste that into that. So now it says to enter your password. So I'm going to enter mine. And then the database name can be whatever you want. So choose right now. And let's call our database test. See, yeah, we don't have to enter anything else in our URI. So let's go ahead and connect it. So we're going to type in const connect db and then write an asynchronous function. Then type in await mongoose.connect and then we're going to pass in the URI and then we need to add some default code. And then we're just going to console log that our database has been connected. And then we're going to just call that function. Now let's run our project. And you can see that it says DB connected. Now let's run our server. Okay, so the database is connected. Now let's create our user schema. And this is going to help us register users. So after connect.db, let's type up a user schema. And this is basically the syntax. And we just have username. And we just have password. Then we're going to create an instance, or rather a model of that schema. Then let's save that. And now we can go back to our register host function. So let's keep this code here, but instead of logging it, we're going to store it in our database now. So we're going to create constant called new user equals a new user and we're going to pass in that variable. Actually, to make it more clear, instead of storing it as variables here, let's just directly store it into this. And let's get rid of that. Now let's save this new user. So new user.save. And the save function is just part of Mongoose. And then we're going to call a function and we're going to pass through error. And if there is an error, then we're going to console log error. Else, we're just going to send registered. Now let's go ahead and save that. It says that it is an unexpected identifier. So let's see, password. Oh, the comma. Okay. Now let's rerun that. Okay. So now let's go to our localhost 3000. Let's reload that. Now I'm going to click sign up and it says registered. Now let's go back to our cluster and then click on collections. And then you can see that I have stored a new user here. So that's it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you in the next one.